Hey guys, this is Mubashi, and today we are going to watch the weekly market snapshot for this week, obviously. So as we know that in recent times the market is quite doing very well. I mean, as we can see that it has broken it is a previous all-time high of 256 around 650, and even though the market condition is not good that much. I mean, H1 visas, fees implementation, and recently the tariff imposed on the China and many things more. But still, market is and FI is also putting out the money from the India. But still, market is quite doing very well, right? So as you can see, and from the last time drop, it has given around 4.5%. And as we know that FII is continuously putting out their money from the Indian market. So let's start first the video. Let's start the video with domestic one. Major news from the domestic market. So as we know that the FII is continuously putting out their money from the Indian market, but in recent times, like in October, FII has injected some of their money in the Indian market. That is 6,480. So it is quite positive sign for the Indian stock market, right? So and also because there is a room for the rate cuts, because as we know that the recent minutes from the central banks show inflation forecast revised down to 2.6% for the financial year 2026. Initially it was around 3.1%, right? So it is quite low as it was expected from the before. So it is a good sign. Lower, because lower inflation opens the door for the rate cuts, which is positive for interest sensitive sector, right? And also there is a one major concern which is going on, as we know that, and that is that rate is continuously going up and up, and currently it is trading around 1,32,000. It has made a all-time high of 1,32,000, right? And that is promoting a shift in consumer behavior from the jewelry to the coins bar, right? And because it is a history that whenever the gold prices start surging, there is a chances of economic collapse, like a financial market, specific to financial market. Okay, because whenever the market conditions are not good, and even the prices of the stocks are too much overvalued, or then there is a surge in prices of gold as saw in the history. So the same thing is happening right now. Also, as we know that the silver prices are also going up and up day by day. That's a very major concern of trading now, because surge in the prices of the silver is because of the as we know that there is a too much shortage is happening and especially India is one of the major players which who imports the of around 80% of their silver from other countries to fulfill their demand, but they are not able to import this time, because there is a limitation imposed by the another countries, because there is too much shortage is happening. So let's go with the global market. uh, let's go with the looks like okay, it will be more better if we go with here it is. So as we already talked about last week that S&P 500 price is continuously going down, upward, and recently it was going down because of here, maybe because it was I think US shutdown was happening here, right? If I'm not wrong, US shutdown happened here, and because of that the stock market went down, but still they have taken the support here, and now again it is consolidating here. So let's the market decide the overall what is going to happen. So first talk about the US China trade tension. As we know that The US has imported 100% tariff on the China. The trade war dynamics between the US and the China remains a material risk with the new friction adding to the global economic uncertainty. Because as you know that trade disruption can choke supply chains, raise cost imports, and dampen the global demand. All key risk factors for the market, right? And now let's go with the crypto market. As we know that BTC recently crashed. BTC watch. Oh, that's why they are not. It's not showing here. Okay, look at that. Look at this chart. As we can see, from if we look at this, look at that. Around it was down by the 16.4%. It was all happening because of the, as we know, as I already told you, US imposes the 100% tariff on the China, and the major players which are playing in the crypto are from the Chinese. So that's why the mass sell-off was happening here, and there is a very huge selling happening. As we can see, the crypto market was down by the 16.4%, and now it is required to recovery, but not able to that not able to record that much. It is recorded around now it is down around 16 11.45%. So overall, and also major sport crypto ETFs was significant outflow. Saw the significant outflow like Bitcoin ETFs was $536 million. That is half a billion dollars. That's why the crypto prices experience a very sharp correction, right? Overall, sorry for that. Overall, global growth outlook slightly revised. The International Monetary Fund projected global growth to slow to 3.2% in 2025 and 3.1% in 2026, flagging the persistent headwinds. So overall, the market scenario is quite, we can say, less than the neutral. It is quite risky too because all these things happening like U.S. China trade tension and India's rupee depreciation. But recently, I saw that India's rupee is quite doing well in this week. Like it was gained its value around 1%. So it is quite doing good, but still overall the market condition is not quite good because the China is continue sorry US is still playing their game like imposing tariffs on other countries, making too much regulation for another countries to trade, stopping them trade in short. So I think it is a good opportunity as an investor to invest in the market. I mean, whenever the price goes down, it is the right time to buy, right? So thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.